Maharashtra here. So I'm here at Andheri L.A.B.S. So you can see it's lazy as bikers. So there are many couple of gears, riding gears. So one of my friend wanted to buy a riding jacket for his CBR 650F. So I have come with him to just check out the store. So I'll take you inside. Let's see. First of all, I will show one more thing. Just wait. And surprise! This is the Ninja ZX-10R. And yeah, it's awesome, man. Really, it's awesome. And my friend CBR 650F. And yeah, this is mine. And we have the Tuxtron 900, the Triumph with the aero exhaust. So I'll just walk it into the store. You can see it's lazy as bikers. So just let's walk in. So this is the hell jacket. It looks pretty awesome. Perfect. So there are too many options to choose from. So I will drop the location.